This video, I'll be showing you how to find lost Android phone using Find Hub on your phone. But anyways, getting into it, it can be really annoying if you've lost your phone. So maybe you want to factory reset it or just check its location so you can try and recover it. So what you want to do is go over to your browser of choice. Obviously, this could be on another phone, a different PC, anything like that. And then we're just going to use Chrome. And then all you want to do is go over to the Find Hub. It's going to be google.com/android/find. Then once you go ahead and click on it, it's going to basically show the exact location of your device. And what you could do is, for one, I can play a sound. For example, if I'm in a close area, I can try and play a sound and see, I can just get closer and closer to the sound to then find it. I can also mark it as lost, which is then going to basically lock the phone entirely. No one's going to be able to use it. And then finally, I can factory reset the device, which is going to basically wipe all your data, make it as good as new. So if there's anything sensitive, people aren't going to be able to find it, which is obviously going to be what you want. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.